Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your TraitSniper airdrop. So if you notice, after following the process by tweeting this automated tweet and you come back to this TraitSniper, you discover that it shows verification failed. You need to reshare, and if you do it over and over, it will still show failed. But you don't need to worry, because I just discovered a way by which you can perform this airdrop and claim your TS airdrop. Just as you can see, this is my dashboard. I've already done this, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step and everything you need to know about this TS airdrop. But before I do that, please use 2 seconds of your time to make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free informative content like this, and also join my Telegram community with the link below, where you can get quick updates even before I upload them here on YouTube. So before we proceed, we need to understand what we'll be expecting from this TraitSniper or TS airdrop. And you can see that from the tokenomics, TS is the native token of this TraitSniper ecosystem, and the total supply is 1 trillion, you understand? Then you can see that the initial price is $0.001, which means that if you own 1 billion token, you can get up to like $1,000, you understand? Also remember that this airdrop we are claiming right now is valued around $1 million, meaning that is currently the market cap for this TS airdrop. So if you are having 1 billion token, which is a maximum, it means that you are having $1,000. And by the time they launch, if you have that $1,000 and this project do like 5x from launch, you understand, it means that you'll be getting around $5,000, which is a maximum, but the minimum I think is around 10 million TS token, and every Twitter account is eligible. So that also gives me some reason that you don't need to expect much from this airdrop. If you can see something like $100-$200, then it's okay, you understand? So the first thing you need to do is to click the link below this video, which is the first link below this video. Then it will take you to this TraitSniper airdrop platform, and on this platform you have to connect your wallet. I connected my MetaMask, you understand? Then wait for it to load up, although it may take up to 2 to 3 minutes for this loading, but you just have to wait for it to load up, you understand? Then after some minutes, this claim button will show up. Then click claim airdrop, and you just have to enter your Twitter username, just your username, then click on submit, and you can see this option whereby you can see the amount by which you want to claim. So you have to share and tag 3 friends, but you don't need to worry about what to share, because there is already an automated message on this tweet, so you just have to post it, understand? So wait for it to load up. So after making the tweet post, I just have to go back to the TraitSniper airdrop. You can see that it's showing verification failed, so I'm going to do it again, make the same tweet, post, and still come back. You can see that it's still showing verification failed, but you don't need to worry, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can claim this airdrop for free, you understand? So for you to claim this airdrop, you are going to use your mobile phone, and on your mobile phone you just have to search for Mises browser from Play Store, you understand? Or if the link is available below this video, then you can just download it direct and open it. Then you can see open web store, and this web store is just similar to extension store, whereby you can install any extension just like desktop, you understand? You can see that my MetaMask is already installed, so I'm going to click on extension and click on MetaMask. So what we are doing is to import our MetaMask from web version, which is from our desktop, to our mobile phone. So you can just look for it to copy your seed phrase from MetaMask on your laptop, then you send it to your phone so that you copy it, understand? And click on import an existing wallet. Then on this section you just got to click on agree. Then all you just need to do is to enter the seed phrase, which is your MetaMask seed phrase. I paste them and automatically they will show up, understand, orderly. Then I click on confirm seed phrase. Then I'll enter a password, you understand, just like the way you normally do it on desktop. Then import your wallet, and that is it. You have automatically imported your MetaMask to your mobile phone. And because you newly imported your MetaMask, it will be on Ethereum minutes, but don't worry, your BSC is currently on your account. So you just have to go back to the TraitSniper airdrop platform, then connect your wallet, connect to MetaMask, understand, and wait for it to load up. It will take some time, but you just have to patiently wait for it to load up. Then click next, you understand, and wait for it to load up. Then after that you click connect and also wait for it to load up, you understand? Then it's connecting, and you can see your BSC. So you have to enable it and sign in to BSC. So you just have to wait for it to load up. It will still load up, you understand? It will take like 2 to 3 minutes for it to load up. And if you are doing it for the first time, it will open a section whereby you have to enter your Twitter username before you need to sign it to your Twitter account, understand? So when you do that, you just have to sign it to your Twitter account. I just have to enter my Twitter username. Remember, the reason they are asking for Twitter login is because I'm using MySys browser, and that is a new browser. I've not done anything on it before. So you just have to sign in, enter Twitter username, then enter your Twitter password. Then after that, you click login and save the password if you want to. So you just have to wait for it to load up. The message will automatically show up on as a tweet, you understand? Then you just have to click on post. Then after you have successfully made a tweet, you just have to go back to the TraitSniper or the TS Airdrop platform. You just have to minimize the tabs and go back to the Airdrop platform, and you can see this message that says that you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So you really have to wait. And when you look at the background, you can see that it is still loading. So you still really have to wait. And you can see that verification pass, and you'll be able to see the amount has increased to 22 million, and you can see my claim button. So all you just need to do is to click claim, then wait for it to load up. Remember, you need like $0.1 worth of BNB to claim this airdrop, so you just have to wait. The claim button is still loading. You just have to wait for it to load up. Then it will redirect you to MetaMask, you understand, for you to approve this transaction and pay the gas fee. So that's basically how it is. So you just have to wait for it. Remember, as I said before, it's going to take longer time, but you still have to wait for it, like all this loading. Then you can see that I need to confirm the transaction. Click confirm. Then after that, you can see that it's loading again. So what it will show me is my dashboard, and you can see that my dashboard is now showing and everything is now done. You can see my Twitter and dmo.fig.hit and 22 million. And also you can share and also earn some reward, which is on this reward power, you understand? So that's basically how to claim this your TS or TraitSniper airdrop. So basically what I have to say about this TraitSniper or TS airdrop is that the platform is so complicated and easy to use at the same time, although, but the loading time is taking almost forever. What I noticed is that probably maybe they do not expect large number of people to engage with this their TS airdrop. That is why the loading time is taking almost forever, and I've made so many tweets about them before I start deleting them again. But I believe that with this short video, you must have known how to participate for this airdrop. So if you know that this video is really helpful to you, make sure you show it by liking this video and dropping a sub to the channel, and also join my Telegram community. And as well, follow me on Twitter. As you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.